Your brain is aging faster than you think. What if I told you your brain could start slowing down years before you notice it? Right now, millions of people are damaging their brain every single day without realizing it. And the scary part? The biggest threats aren't always obvious. Lack of sleep is one of them. When you sleep, your brain runs a deep cleaning cycle, clearing away waste and helping lock in memories. Miss enough sleep, and it's like letting garbage pile up in your most important control center. But that's not all. Too much stress floods your brain with cortisol, a hormone that can shrink areas linked to memory and learning. That's why chronic stress can make you forget names, lose focus, and feel mentally exhausted. Then comes food. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's energy. Feeding it ultra-processed foods all day is like putting low-quality fuel into a high-performance engine. Meanwhile, foods rich in omega-3s, berries, nuts, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables help support memory, focus, and long-term brain function. And here's something most people don't know. Exercise doesn't just build muscles. It actually helps create new connections between brain cells. Just a brisk 30-minute walk can boost blood flow and support brain performance. Want another brain superpower? Keep learning. Reading, solving puzzles, learning a language, playing music, or developing a new skill challenges your brain and helps keep it sharp. So if you want a healthier brain, remember these 5 things. Sleep better, manage stress, eat smarter, move daily, never stop learning. Because the strongest investment you'll ever make isn't in your wallet, it's in your brain. Follow for more science-backed health and longevity secrets. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to HealthVia and TanMarket.com for more simple health tips, diet habits, food, and a better life. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always do your own research before making decisions.